Today we are going to learn how to do a lowercase e, which is a letter that you will use frequently when you begin writing words in cursive. So we need to make sure we do a nice job with that letter E. We don't want it to look like an L. We don't want it to be too tall. And we always want to make sure we have our cursive tilt, our cursive slant going on. So as a reminder, if you're right-handed, you're going to tilt your book slightly to the right. If you're left-handed, you're going to tilt your book slightly to the left. We're going to get our hand warmed up at the very tip top. We have learned how to do L, H, K, T, I, U, and today we're going to learn how to do a lowercase e. I'm going to start by tracing over that lowercase e several times. Remember when we did that L, we went all the way past the midline and went up nice and tall. Well, this is the same hand motion, but we stay below that dotted line. So you're going to start here with some lowercase e's. Remember to lift up your pencil and do nice spacing. You should be able to fit 5 or 6 of them across that line. And now we know enough letters to make some words. So what is really fun about learning cursive is that not only are you learning how to write cursive, but you're learning how to read it. So I hope that you can read all 3 of these words right now, all by yourself. The first word is the word like, and you will see that all 4 letters are connected. And when we make this word, I'm going to trace over this one. I'm going to do my L, straight into my I, straight to the K, straight to the E. Then I'm going to lift up my pencil and dot that I. So trace over the one that is already there, and then you get to try it on your own. And remember, we don't lift up that pencil until the very end to dot our I. Next comes the word eel, and then comes the word lie. Again, I lift up my pencil, then I go back and dot. In the next section, you might be able to practice this word teeth a couple of times. You have some nice good space there. I'm going to make sure that my T's are nice and tall and my E's stop at that midline. Now I hope you noticed that I kept going. I did not cross my T's until I was all done with that entire word teeth. Then I crossed my T's. Okay? Next you're going to try the kite, tie, and if you're having trouble with one of your letters, let's pretend like K's are really tricky for you, then use this extra space over here and practice a couple more of those K's. That's a letter that's really tricky sometimes. Next comes the words the and hike. And finally, at the bottom, we're going to do the, lift up my pencil, cross my T, little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Then I'm going to lift up my pencil, dot my I, cross my T's. And lastly, kettle, nice and tall K, short E, tall T, tall T, tall L, short E. Then I lift up my pencil and cross those T's. Great job, friends. Make sure that you stop and rewind if I went too fast for you, and have a lot of fun practicing your lowercase e's today.